I think Elmo is big enough to understand what he needs to do for his work, and you know, everything here naman sa industriya natin, alam mo yun, naiintindihan naman ng lahat ng tao na there are times na yung mga love team, ganyan, nakakakilig and may mga kailangan ng sacrifice, and naiintindihan naman ng mga tao. So I guess Elmo, I let him, you know, I don't really like to invade his privacy. I don't like to talk. Pag nakita nga kami, trabaho pa rin pag-uusapan. Siyempre, when we talk, it's about just, you know, whatever, life, and fun, ganyan. And I trust that, you know, he was, you know, all of us, kahit ako, I was trained by my mom, and I trust that he listens to my mom, because my mom really is, you know, ako like ko sinasabi sa mga bata ngayon, makinig kayo sa magulang. Because if I only knew, at this age right now, na sana pala mas nakinig ako sa mom ko before. Sana mas hindi naging matigas ulo ko. Siyempre, you know, you go through these phases, and yun pala, they just want the best for you. And yun, so naniniwala ako na Elmo also learns from my mom, and I trust that he knows what he's doing.